Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashida here, and in case you're new to my channel, you are most welcome. So guys, I've always wanted to do a video of how my house looks like, but I didn't have the courage of doing that video. But finally today I'm here to do the video, and I want to show you guys how my living room or how my house looks like. The reason why I'm doing this video, it's because I'm planning to refurbish some of the furnitures we have in our house. So I decided to do this video before we do the living room makeover. We want to refurbish the dining, the TV stand, and the center table, but I wanted you guys to see how my living room looks like before changing or before refurbishing the furniture. My carpenter was to come today and do the job, but for some reasons he did not come. Like, he lost a relative, so he had to go for the burial, and I got the chance of recording this video before we refurbish the furniture. So guys, without talking that much, let me show you how my living room, how my simple living room looks like. So guys, that's our main door or the main entrance. Our house has two entrances, the main entrance, then the entrance at the side of the kitchen. From the main entrance, you'll see our beautiful seats. Yeah, we have 5-seater in our living room area. That's a 1-seater right there near the main door. Then we have a 2-seater there. And this side, we have a 2-seater that side. My neighbor's baby is crying. I don't know why. I don't know if you guys are hearing the baby. The baby is crying. Then in the middle, we have that center table, which I'm planning to refurbish, guys. Tomorrow, I'm going to refurbish that center table. I'm planning to paint it again. And you see that black there? We are planning to paint the table all white. Apart from the glass, because I was told in case I'm to remove the glass, we need to buy a new glass. Yet my budget was tight. So for now, I'm just going to refurbish the center. We paint it again, and I leave the glass the way it is. Then from there, we have this carpet, which I love, guys. I love this carpet. It's so soft. I love the carpet. From there, we have the TV stand. That's our TV stand, which we are going to refurbish again. We are to refurbish the TV stand as well. And we have our TV. It's a 43-inch. Then on the TV stand, we have the 2 speakers for the home theater. Then the center speaker, plus our decoder. And the DVD player, although we no longer use it because these days people no longer watch movies on what? Or on DVDs. Guys, of recent, I'm into plants. I love plants of recent. So here I have a plant. It's a natural plant. Opposite the subwoofer. I mean in front of the subwoofer. In that speaker. That's a natural plant. Then this side, beside the what? The TV stand, I have a snake plant again. I have a lot of plants, but I don't know their names. So that's a snake plant. Then up there on the TV stand again, I have those two. Those are artificial flowers, not plants. Those are artificial flowers, which I love. You see, guys? Then in the middle, I have that art craft with a giraffe in the middle. Then this side, I have the second artificial flower. So that's our TV stand. So guys, that's it for our TV stand. So as I've told you, I'm planning to refurbish it again. We are going to paint the TV stand all white. We are going to remove all that black you see on the TV stand, and we paint it all white. Then up I have the light. Forgive the wire. The wire is the one which we used to connect to the decoder. So we have the light there. And up we have the second light. Then the other side we also have the second light. And those are our frames, the family frames. So that's it for my living room area. You see guys, that's my living room area. Let me try to give you a clear picture or a clear view of my living room. So this is my simple living room, which I'm going to refurbish tomorrow, and I'll be here tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I'll be here to show you how my living room looks like after the makeover. So this is my living room. So guys, from the living area we go straight to the dining area. This is where we eat our food from. And guys, I'm planning to paint that dining again. We are going to paint the dining white. Then we are planning to change these. Let me show you. You see these dining, how are they called? You see that cloth on the dining chair. We are planning to change it. Guys, let me tell you a story, or the reason behind us buying this dining. When I had just given birth to my second born, we had gone to buy him these baby beds. Is it baby cribs? These beds where the newborn sleep. So I told the guy who was selling the furniture, how much is that dining? He told me the dining goes for 800. I was like, I wish you could take 500. I was going to buy this dining right now. So the guy came back to me. He told me, Madam, you pay your 500 and you take the dining. Yet I didn't have any money with me. I was with my husband, and it was him who was buying the furniture. So I told the guy, if you want to sell your dining, you go talk to Mr. who is my husband. So he convinced my husband, and that's how we ended up buying the dining, which we had not planned to buy. So I had chosen those 2-seaters, but they had only those 2 as you see them. They told me I either take these ones, 4 of them, or I take 2 of those, then 2 of these. And I was like, I didn't like this one. I didn't like that design. So I decided to take those 2, then these 2. You see this dining, it has served us 2 years. Okay, it has faded, that I agree, but it has served us for long, for 2 full years. And this wasn't the original color. I told the guy to change the color to black, but somehow it has faded. This was the original color of the dining. So I told them to paint the dining and the chairs to black, because I don't know, for some reasons I love black and white. So guys, so tomorrow I'm going to refurbish my dining again. My neighbors are opening the gate. So tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I'm going to refurbish my dining again to white. Then even the chairs, we are going to paint them white, and we are going to change that cloth on the dining chairs to black. So guys, That's my dining area. This is where we eat our food from. And we have that red carpet over the dining. I also love that carpet, but not as much as I love this carpet in the living room area. So that's our dining. From the dining, or in the dining area, I have this plant. As I told you, of recent I'm into plants. I love plants. I don't know why. So I have that plant. I have many plants, but the problem is I don't know their names. But for this, since it's my favorite, I know the name. It's Monstera deliciosa. I don't know if it's the right pronunciation. It's still young, but in case this plant grows, it comes out so cute. But for now, it's still young. I had 2 flowers, 2 leaves, which were fading, so I was told to cut them off. You see that stem? Then this side, I had to cut off those leaves. But I'm so sure my plant will grow because it's still young. So I'll be here to show you how my plant growth is. Then opposite the plant, again in the dining area, we have that bookshelf with a lot of books, which we don't read. Trust me guys, I've never bought any book, but my husband loves buying books. Yet, simusomi wa butabo nga nze. But when I asked him why he buys a lot of books, he was like, my kids will read the books when they grow up. That was his reason for buying the books. Then on the bookshelf, we have more plants. Hey, yeah guys, I told you, the mama plant. So I have that plant, which I don't know the name, and I have that plant too. Then in the middle, I have this frame, this cutie frame, which we got from, I don't know, but my husband got it from Doha, Qatar. So I don't know which store he got it from, but you see, wait, Arabic house door. It's a cutie frame. Then that's my firstborn, but by then he was 2 years and he was gifted that on his 2nd birthday. So that's me when I was pregnant for my firstborn. And we have a wall clock there, and that's me before giving birth. So that's it for our dining area. Then the other side, again on a dining area, we have this cutie craft. Let me show you guys. About this cross, my husband is from a strong Catholic family. So even my kids are Catholic. Even though I'm not a Christian or a Catholic, but the people whom I love are Catholics, so we embrace their religion. So I have that cutie craft over there, plus this 2nd craft over there. So this is it about my dining area. Let me give you a view. Then the other, oh guys, I had forgotten to show you my cutie plants. I have those plants. They make my dining area in the kitchen. Okay, they separate my dining and the kitchen area. And they make everything looks so perfect. You see guys, those plants over the dining window. I told you I'm mommy plants, and I have more plants. I have on the stairs there, which goes to the bedroom, and I have in the bedrooms. And I'll give you a video soon, guys, about my full house tour. But for today, I wanted to show you how my house looks like before refurbishing my furniture. As I've told you, I'm going to refurbish the dining, that center table, and my TV stand. So guys, that's it about my living room, or my living stroke dining room area. So I'll end the video from here. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be giving you more of these videos. I'll be giving you more of these videos when I'm cooking, when I'm cleaning, how I spend my day with the boys. I'm a mother and I have 2 little boys. So I'll be here sharing you our life, how we spend our day here at home. So I'll say goodbye for now. See you. I think I'll do a video when we are refurbishing the furniture. Yeah, I'll do the video and I'll post it for you guys on the day when my carpenter comes to refurbish the furniture. I'll do the video and I'll share it with you guys, all the process of how you can refurbish your furniture. I'll share that video with you. I'll record that video and I'll share it. And I'll share it with you guys. So in case you have enjoyed this video and you loved the content I did about my simple living room area, please like the video. You can leave a comment down below. I welcome all the suggestions. You can give me the suggestions through the comment section, and I promise I'll change anything you want. In case I can, I'll do that change for you. So you can leave a comment down below, like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos which I post here, guys. Please help me subscribe. Let us grow this channel together. So guys, I think I'll say goodbye for now. See you in my next video, and I love you guys. Bye bye.